All right, let's take a look at the market volatility shock in the United States. Last week's turbulence was driven more by market technicals and not a significant slowdown in the US economy. Now, that bodes well for the future of US growth. Take a look.
As Wall Street recovers from last week's losses completely, the question on everyone's mind is the reason for the collapse and if it is just a blip or a long-term trend. More market turmoil is likely on the horizon and more fluctuations can compound itself at times. The US markets are no exception. This comes even as the economy is not flashing red signals yet. A rapid wave of deleveraging on Wall Street caused the huge volatility spike of 2024. Following the recent chaos, all indications in the market point to a return to relative quiet for US markets. Since it is not a loss of economic confidence, which is a reminder of the dark days of the pandemic, still, the uncertainty in US markets weigh on investor sentiment. The biggest losers last week have also been the biggest gainers in the first half of this year. This bull run was driven by tech stocks running wildly higher on AI euphoria. Nvidia is a good example of this sentiment. However, investors are reassessing the returns on AI and also the timing. While hordes of money are pouring into AI-related businesses, the returns on that investment will take time to realize. Beyond the trends within sectors, broader macroeconomic scenarios are moving the dial. Investors now eye key US inflation data due on Wednesday, looking for cues about the Federal Reserve's policy path. Following last week's chaos, what the Fed is likely to do becomes more important. And inflation data is important for the Fed to start easing and ensuring a smooth economic landing. Following the recent surge in crude oil prices, investors will also watch for any signs of inflationary pressures. Bureau Report, WION World is One.
For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.